this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a breast cancer collaboration between me and a few other women. There'll be a playlist pinned down below in the comments, as well as in the description box, as well as hopefully a list of participants. There's going to be many pictures on Instagram, so go check me out there, JUST.NAILEDIT. We're going to kind of jump around on the nails a little bit. I want to get the water decals done. I am putting those on the ring finger and the thumb. So we're going to take these two nails because I'm using She Modern's glue stencil gel. So I'm going to use this to hold the decals on real well. I've got some extra long coffin nails. These ones particularly I got off of AliExpress. I have another set. I have not used them yet. They're from BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. And when you order from there, you can use my code CherieBaby10. Because French, or Cherie, which is my name, is French for Sherry. So type in SHEREE baby 10. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give these a cure. We're going to move on to something else on the nail. Oh, I should have put, shoot. I have to put the stencil glue gel on this finger as well. Told you we're just kind of going to bop around today. Now I'm going to be putting glitter on this nail, so I want to make sure it's completely covered. Make sure you get your sides. We're going to take the thumbnail first. I told you I'm all over the place today. And we're going to take She Modern's. Trying to get it's the bikini top. So we're going to take that and place it on our nail. There we go. Oh, where's my... I'm a little crooked and I don't think I can move it. No, it's there. There we go. And I do score my decals. So we're gonna put that back there. Okay, let me see. I think I got them a little mixed up. I'm trying to look at my list here I've got of what I'm doing where. I'm trying to dab off some of the water. And here we have our awareness ribbon. I am going to be coloring that in pink. Okay, I can remove this now. So this palette here, I need some black, which I'm using my black by Maratt. I am an ambassador for them as well, so please check my description box for all my codes for all the companies I'm an ambassador to. There are multiple companies. And we are going to write on the thumbnail. Be with me. Because I can't do this very well. Freehand is not my forte. I am doing my best. Oh boy. All right. Got it almost done. Oh, this one's not going well. I'm trying. Okay, we got it. We got it. Save the tatas. I'm going to put that one in the lap. Give that a full care. Ooh, that wore me out. I had not won for freehand, and to have to write words out of that. Okay, so that nail, that nail is in the lap. Oh my gracious! Now we're gonna freehand a ghost. We're doing some freehand here, folks. I am using Deep in the Bottles Springlicious. I don't know if Diana's doing this anymore. She's been moving a lot. Love the color that is the pink that is on the nails. It is a beautiful, beautiful color, as you can see. So now we're going to attempt a ghost. Okay, there's our ghost. Now we are going to fill it in. Dotting tool would probably be better for this. A little bit quicker. Just a little bit quicker. Gel polish does self-level, thank God. But I am going to hold this upside down for a few seconds. Hopefully it'll level itself out real nice. Clean your brush, clean off your dotting tool. Okay, I am going to let this sit here for just a minute, just so it can level out a little bit more. Save the tatas. We did it. We did it. Now we're going to color in this ribbon. Ladies, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I know I should be giving you a lot of statistics here and something to think about, but I'm not. But it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Make sure you are doing those monthly exams, your self-exams at home. Raise that arm above your head in the shower, lather your breasts up, and counterclockwise until you reach the nipple. Check for any lumps, bumps, peas, divots, dents, anything that's abnormal for you. Get those mammograms done. So I'm going to pop this one in the lamp. Whoops. Let me see my ghost. I'll put my ghost in the lamp. Lamp may need a double cure because it's a little on the thick side. Okay, this is supposed to be my glitter nail. The glitter mix I'm using, I cannot remember for the life of me who gave this to me. It is Pink Awareness, first mix ever made. So whoever made this and gave it to me, I'm honored. I'm sorry that I do not remember who you are. I know I've had this for a couple years. I think it's been quite a while. So we're going to pour this on the nail. Trying for full coverage here. It's got all kinds of goodies in it. Pressing it down into the glue. I think this is a beautiful mix. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp as well. Well, let me get my other ones out. My ghost. I'm going to stand my breast cancer one up again in the lamp. Put, my glitter mix in the nail again, or in the lamp again. We're gonna go back in with our black. And we're gonna give some eyes. And a little mouth. I think it's cute. I mean, it's very cute. So we're going to leave those in the lamp, and I'm going to be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Offline, not offline, off camera, I took the liberty of top coating the glitter nail. I top coated the ghost and the ribbon, and I tried to do, I don't know if you can tell, 3D. I had a little bit of drippage over here on this one. I didn't notice it until it was too late. I guess I could file that off. I gotta top coat this one and this one, but the ribbon and the ghost are 3D, and the way to do that is to keep top coating, curing, but in between, when I top coat, I would turn them upside down for a little bit. Then I'd cure it. Then I'd top coat it again, hang it upside down, and then I'd cure it. So that's how I did that. We're going to top coat the nail. Our pinky nail is going to be bling. Bling, bling, bling. Gotta have some bling in our mani. Can't have any kind of a mani without bling. This doesn't seem top coated enough. These are some long nails. Long nails. So we're going to put our top coat over here. Get our bling. Let me open this one up. Make sure I'm in frame here. Getting this big baby up. Okay. I'm going to tap a few of these out. Some pink bling. I'm going to put those down the center as well. And then over here, I have some itty bitty ABs. And I'll put these randomly down the nail. Okay, let me go over here now. This is not straight. Whoops. Hopefully that is straight. Hopefully. Hopefully we are almost finito. No más. Whoops. Slide this one up a little bit. And it flipped over on me. Well, there we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. Oh, shoot. Always got to worry about the center gem. I'm going to put this in the lamp and hold my hand to give it a freeze frame, flash cure. That's what it's called, a flash cure, not a freeze frame. But I think these turned out really good. I really do. I'm loving how they look. So I'm going to put this back here now on the stand, put this all in. And we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. I think these turned out really super cute. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my breast cancer awareness manicure. Ladies, do not forget to get those mammograms done. Remember to do your self-exam at least once a month. And why not today? So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. And I'd greatly appreciate your presence here. Leave me a comment down below if you do subscribe so I can hit you back. And as always, have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.